Hey, welcome to TPS Cloud Axis. We know it can be a bit overwhelming jumping into a new program, so I'm here to guide you through some easy setup tips. Setting up your TPS Cloud Axis is fast and simple. There are several sections that are already pre-filled in the database. Only a few simple steps must be completed. We've created a series of step-by-step short videos that will guide you through the basic usage of the program. There are some important steps you should complete to make sure your account is up and running and ready for day-to-day use. In the welcome email you received, you will find a PDF with general information about setting up your account. But inside TPS Cloud Axis, you will also find hundreds of videos that will provide more details on all the different options and functions available to you. It's practically bursting at the seams with knowledge, all at your fingertips. As you go through setting up TPS Axis, make sure you click the video icons to see the detailed explanations every step of the way. So let's get you started. Just finish watching these other videos in the Get to Know the App or Help section of TPS to make sure we get you started out on the right foot. Remember, TPS offers a conversion service that will import your clients, employees, work codes, and if you're coming from a different program, it'll convert your WIP. If you're moving from our TPS on-premise version into TPS Cloud Axis, it'll bring in your WIP, AR, and history. For conversion pricing, please contact our support team toll-free at 888-877-2231 or shoot us an email at axis_conversions@tpssoftware.com. Thank you for watching.